Welcome to part 2 of 5 for GA02. This is probably the most complex step here, calculating 1B, BA, TB, OBP, and SLG. First, let's start by creating labels for these averages. 1B stands for number of singles, and the formula for that, as specified on the assignment sheet, is H minus the quantity 2B plus 3B plus HR. You don't have to know or even understand or even care what these formulas mean, but you do need to know where to find them. So the first thing you need to do is to find H. You can't just type in H. So ask yourself, where is this row of data's H? Here is the H right here. Maybe we'll take a look at that a little bit. Here is the H. Let me do a little cleanup here. Okay, so this is the H column here. And what we need to do is take the H for this line of data here and ask yourself, where is that? Well, if you click on it, you can see it is in G2. So our formula then starts out with the equal sign G2. So G2 represents the H on the assignment sheet. And then just go slowly at first. Follow the formula exact. Minus left paren 2b. So ask yourself, where is 2b? It's in H2. You can let Windows or Excel do some work for you just by clicking on where Chase Thomas's 2b is. It's right here. So H2 plus, and then do the same thing for 3b plus HR. There you go. Okay, so Chase Thomas, he didn't have any singles, but nonetheless, this is his formula. If you have your data set up exactly like I do, the formula here for singles for Chase Thomas will be equals G2 minus the quantity H2 plus I2. This is an I2, it's not a 12. If you put a 12 in there, it won't work. It'll work, but it'll be incorrect, plus J2. Okay, so once that is correct, you can, hopefully you know this from your My IT Lab work, copy and paste those cells. Okay, so we're done with 1B. Let's go ahead and move on to batting average. This one is pretty easy. Equals H, again, divided by, the forward slash is divided by AB. So we begin formulas, we know, with an equal sign equals H. Whereas H, it's right here in G2, forward slash AB. Where is that? AB is in F2. Okay, 0.5. Now, the batting averages, or the averages in baseball, are formatted to 3 places. So right click on the cell, format cells, make it a number, and make it 3 decimal places. There you go. Once it's formatted, then do your copy and paste. Save yourself some time. Alternatively, you could have copied and pasted the formula and then selected the entire column to format that. Okay, let's go on to total bases. This one is fairly long. The formula is equals 1b plus the quantity 2 times 2b plus the quantity 3 times 3b plus 4 times HR. So again, just go very slowly. And follow the formula one at a time. Equals 1b, so the 1b is what we just calculated here. It's in O2 plus left paren 2 star. The star is multiplication operator. It means times, and 2b is in H2. Right paren plus, so you can see a pattern here, obviously 3 star 3b 92 plus, you get 4 points if you hit a home run. That's why home runs are so important. Times HR, which is in J2. Alright, there you go. Now, total bases is an integer. You can't have 2.5 bases, for example. So leave it as an integer. Copy and paste those down. ST is sacrifice total. ST is the formula equals SF, which happens to be an N2 plus SH. Those are integers. Okay, whoops, forgot one. Careful, make sure you get them all. OBP, these last 3 items here are averages. OBP stands for on base percentage. And again, it's long, but just take your time with it. Equals quantity of H. H is in everything, isn't it? Which happens to be in G2 plus BB means based on balls or walks, plus HB hit by pitch. Ouch. / quantity of AB. Where is AB at bats? It's an F2 plus based on balls K2 plus HB again plus ST. Like I say, you don't have to understand what these mean. You don't even have to like baseball. You just have to know your way around an Excel spreadsheet to do this. And let's go ahead and format that to 3 cells. If the client says, I want 3 decimal places, that's what you need to give the client. So 3 decimal places. And then do copy and paste. There we go. Slugging equals, this one's easy, total bases divided by at bats. Now slugging is a percentage, so right click, format cells, and change that to number, 3 decimal places. There you go. And OBPS is really easy. It is just OBP, that was a calculated value, plus slugging. And because you have these two, the 2 averages that participate in the formula already formatted, you should be all set. Alright, very good. I think that this concludes GA02 Calculate. This would have been a little bit longer, probably twice as long as GA01 Import.